Hey you guys, it's Rudy TGX. I'm here on reviewing the DJI Osmo 4. I just received this in the mail, shipped from China, got it today. It took about a week through FedEx, so you can definitely pick this up now online on sale. I believe they discontinued Osmo 3, so this is the new one. So let's check it out.
All right, let's jump right straight to it. We have our 4 itemized pictures here. You can download the app off the Google Store, the Play Store, which is awesome. The theme this year is to create magnetic moments. Let's take a look at this. We got 2 different compartments, which is cool. I wonder what's in these items here. We got something over here. We'll check this out later. It looks like some alignment that you use for your phone. And then we got our main item here. Let's take out the tripod, and then of course the Osmo 4, which is awesome. This is the main item right here. And then we had the magnetic, I guess this is the clamp that you put around your phone. And then you got some adhesive tape that you'll utilize or replace. And it looks like this is the USB-C, which is awesome. It seems to be like the universal charger, and that's awesome. That's good, especially if you have an Android. Here, okay, we got our pouch here. We got our strap. And then it looks like I said, like this is some sort of alignment that you do or utilize on your phone to align the magnetic ringer, which is here. Oh, this is awesome. All right, you got some adhesive tape. Looks like you can utilize that to even hold your phone. And then you got the manuals that you can go through. And then here you got, this is all your essential items right here. You got your pouch, the Osmo 4, your USB-C, your tripod. You got extra adhesive tape that comes along with this box, and this is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and get our hands on this. So the box comes with many things, many accessories for the Osmo 4, but these are your main things that you're gonna mainly need when shooting with your Osmo 4. You're gonna need your phone, the Osmo 4 itself, and you might use this as, you know, your setup whenever if you're shooting a photography or a panoramic shot or a time lapse or hyperlapse. You're gonna need your stand here. So these are the attachment. Now you can use this to attach to the back of your phone, but one thing I realized with this device is that the case can be a problem when attaching this setup. So one thing I realized is that this can easily come off like that quick. So I would say if you're gonna use this, take off your case, because it's not a strong attachment when you have your case on. So use your phone case. It's really locked in like this. So that's the only downside about this case. But if you do have the case, there's an alternative to use. There's a ring that they give you, so you can take off this adhesive tape and you can attach it to the back of your case, and then that could be your ring. And you can also use this without using the gizmo. If you're trying to use your phone for something, you can always tie it on the back just like that. The only thing about this is that you can't really stand it up like this. Maybe you can stand it up like that, as other cases that have these rings behind their phone. So with that being said, when this is attached to this, you can still attach the Osmo 3 behind here, because it attached like a magnet. So it would be set up like this, you know. But since I really don't like anything in the back of my case, I'll probably use this in a way that I will attach this together, and then I would attach these two. You attach like that, and there you go.
yeah, also something else I want to mention is that once you get the device, make sure you do your firmware update. There could be updates to this device, so make sure you do that just to make sure the alignment and pictures are accurate, and it helps with making sure the device works at an optimal level.